para mas marami tayong ma-take note, Ate Joel, meron kami mga itatanong kay Mika. Ay, talaga naman. Are you ready
We're gonna ask
to
you quick.
answer rapid fire questions, my dear? So magpapakaano kami dito? Tito Boy Abunda.
Go, let's
Yes.
go.
So all you have to say is 1, worth it, or 2, hindi na uulitin. Yun lang.
No overthinking. Mamaya na yung overthinking.
Pwedeng i-explain later kung may gustong i-explain, pero right now, no overthinking muna. Talagang alisin mo muna yung mga thoughts mo. Okay, are you ready?
Let's go.
Okay. Worth it ba na mag-go sa casting kahit alam mo 1% lang ang chance mong makuha?
Not worth it.
Okay.
Oh, worth it ba ang tumanggi sa isang big project kung feeling mo hindi ka nire-respeto sa set?
Not worth it.
Okay.
Okay. Worth it bang mag-invest sa high-end camera and sa gear para sa digital content?
Worth it.
Worth it bang patulan ang constructive criticism na borderline body shaming na?
Not worth it.
Worth it bang sumali sa international competition kahit virtual lang ang journey sa una?
Yes, worth it.
Worth it bang magstay up late para lang sa perfection ng isang edit? Ooh.
Hirap. Worth it?
Okay, you can explain that later. Worth it ba mag-walk away from a contract na maganda sa papel pero scammy ang vibes?
Worth it.
Ooh, worth it bang i-prioritize ang mental health over a high-paying runway gig?
Worth it.
Now, after the castings, the rejections, and the world stage,
Worth it ba?
to walk your own path.
Worth it.
Yes!
Yay!
So maraming worth it, pero ngayon, hayaan natin mag-explain si Mika.
Oo.
Baka sabihin naman ni Mika, ang unfair natin, hindi natin siya pinag-explain. So balikan natin yung mga hindi gagawin or hindi uulitin. Number 1 is, mag-go sa casting kahit alam mo 1% lang ang chance makuha.
Oh, yeah. How come no?
Nalala ko kasi nung nag-casting ako, yung castings is always in Makati
Okay.
area. I'm from QC.
Mm.
So, yung biyahe ko, grabe, 2 hours. Wala pang Skyway. It's not worth it kapag alam mo naman you're not gonna get the project. So, bakit mo pa siyang i-chase? Dapat
Work smart.
Work
How-
smart.
How then have you figured out how to decide
Oh,
on
yes.
going to something? Ano dapat yung parang percentage?
Mhm.
I think
Na-
di ba usually pag sa castings, yung may mga requirements, criteria,
Yes.
like, ko mga looking for chinita, chinita, 18 years old.
Okay.
Pag feel ko na it's not fitting my criteria or bawal ako sa dates, don't go na.
Hindi mo
Love
na
that.
ipipili.
Self-aware.
Yes.
Self-aware
Oo.
siya. Mhm. And then, next is tumanggi sa isang big project kung feeling mo hindi ka nire-respeto sa set.
Ako kasi parang believer ako na kahit anong project and you got the project, you really have to work with people, hard people.
Mhm.
You're not gonna, you're gonna, kasi in every project or shoot, everyone naman has different personalities. I think it's about how you can work professional
Mhm.
and collaborate harmoniously. So kahit mahirap ka work, kailangan you have to work harmonious.
Kahit na
That is so
malaki,
true.
kahit na ang laki ng project, kahit na ang dream. Kung,
That is so true.
kung ang kalaban naman ay ang mental health mo, tapos you have to
Yes.
walk on eggshells. Parang ang
I
hirap
think
nga
that's
naman.
being a professional.
Yeah, that's true.
And
It's bigger being a
yes.
professional.
And I think it takes a lot of maturity din na mag-acknowledge sa ganun, di ba? Kasi minsan, let's face it, kapag di ba, talagang may tendency tayong masilaw with like, okay, this is the biggest project ever. Pero kung
Yeah.
halimbawang masasacrifice yung pati pagtingin mo sa sarili mo just because of how people are treating you, parang baka hindi nga siya worth it. Yung malulose mo yung sarili mo along the way. Wala lang naman yun. Okay. Ang next is, patulan ang constructive criticism na borderline body shaming na.
Not
Yung mga
worth it.
backhanded.
No, not worth it. You
How
have
do you
boundaries.
adjust? How do you address these things? Especially hypercritical pa naman din ang
Mhm.
industry, no?
Acknowledge your values. We all have values. Iba-iba yung values natin. Very unique to us. So, if you know na nakakross na yung boundaries mo, yung values mo, then you have to walk away. Save your peace.
Aww. I love it that she knows her priorities.
I
talaga.
know, really.
Yes.
Thank you. Thank you to Mama and Dad.
Yes.
Talaga. Like,
Mhm.
sobrang laking tulong. No? I love that as well. And the journey, all these leaps that you've made, no? there are a lot of wins. I think iba talaga yung when you know you're there, you're supposed to be there. But how about like certain challenges na looking back were things that were maybe not worth it? I mean, syempre it led you to where you were right now with all the things all the amazing opportunities. But with what you know now, parang ano yung mga bagay na, you know what? Maybe I didn't have to do that. Yung mga ganun. May ganun ba?
Meron yun. Pero parang there are, I feel like yan yung maganda sa 20s natin. Like, we can make any choice we want.
Yes.
Like, but from those choices, kapag hindi ka pa na-learn sa mga mistakes mo, hindi ko na alam.
Yeah. That's true. And di ulitin mo lang yung mistakes. What were those? Or were there certain things that came to mind?
I think there were really mga shoots talaga na, when we start out, we don't really get to choose our projects. We just wanted the next to open ourselves to any opportunity out there. So there were shoots and projects and contracts na sana hindi ko na lang kinuha. Yeah. Pero, I think maganda na rin na it's all part of the journey.
Yeah. You learn.
Kapag ginawa ko pa siya, hindi ko na alam.
So
At least you learned.
Yung mga projects na yun that you look into, the people you work with, if you trust them, ano pa yung mga boundaries mo? Ano yung mga mga checklist mo na, okay, sige, tutuloy natin to. We will take it.
I think it's coming from a place na,
Napaisip tuloy si
Mika.
Mika.
Lalim na question.
Kasi ano din you've reached the point now where you don't say yes to everything.
Yeah.
Right? So now it's like, what would make you say yes and be like, okay, we're doing this, ganon.
I think it's when it applies not only career, relationships, when you and experiences. I like how I go back to this, like my parents, they paid for my tuition, for my schooling education. So they always make sure to say, pinaaral ka namin ng mabuti, and I hope that you also make wise decisions in your future. And when it comes to jobs, when we work with people that we had a good relationship, and it's having a good relationship with creatives, like in the next project, it's gonna be parang the industry is very small, so parang it's good to have a nice working relationship. Parang the next project, you guys can work harmonious together. It's being a professional, rin. Yeah.
I love that.
She is very self-aware. I love it so much. Having experienced everything na na-experience mo and all the pressures and all of this na experience mo at a very young age, we can say that kasi parang teens niya pa lang nagtatrabaho na siya, di ba? And not a lot.
To come.
Yes, not a lot of people experience that na like may experience ka na sa real world at your early teens, di ba? So is there any message that you'd like to say to
those
kids,
starting out,
kids or to dreamers na may same goal as you? Meron ka bang ma-advise sa kanila na like, I don't know, if something na sana hindi mo nga nagawa, and then, or some advice na you wish narinig mo early on?
Every choice and action you do, even the smallest, will lead to the path you want to go. So make sure every of those decisions you make is a good decision. You can chase your dreams, but you have to know, you have to have values and your boundaries to guide you and redirect you to that straight linear path.
Ganda.
Para hindi ka ma-redirect.
Perfect.
Ganda nun. Parang isasagot yun sa slam book next. Parang i-memorize ko yung sinabi ni Mika. Parang, shocks, ito yung gusto kong ilagay sa slam book.
Oo nga.
May slam book pa ba? Wala nang slam book.
Gawa ulit. Para dito, salmon book.
Yes.
But, for now, you have your MBA. When did you finish your MBA?
Last year, December.
Last year? Oh my God.
Congratulations!
Congratulations! What's the next dream na? Asang ka na? Kasi there were a lot of dreams you've made come true recently. So ano na siya ngayon? As a PhD, that you're trying to see if that's still gonna fit your plans, no? But right now, what are we
What is the goal?
I'm debating if it's a PhD or to settle down.
Oh!
Oh my
Okay.
goodness. She
Okay,
is
alright.
thinking about settling down.
Or why not both?
Yes.
Why not both?
Oo nga.
Nakapag-school siya while international modeling and then
Oo nga.
acting pa.
Ano ba naman yung makapag-PhD ka kahit nakasettle down ka na?
Why not?
Mm-mm.
Diba? I love that.
I love it
Yeah.
na she knows what she wants
Yeah.
talaga. I love it. I love it.
I know,
love it.
thank you. And for those who are maybe who have come across you for the first time
Yes.
and are excited to join you on your journey as you figure things out. Kasi just go 20. Oh,
Yes.
20-something.
Oo,
20-something's
20-something.
figuring many things pa. Ang dami pang pwedeng mangyari.
Yes.
If this episode made you reflect on your own life decisions, then maybe it's time to ask yourself the same question. Yung mga choices mo, career moves, love life, big risks, or even those random impulsive decisions, worth it ba talaga? If you enjoyed this conversation, make sure to search and follow Worth It Ba on YouTube for the full episode. And if you have your own Worth It Ba moment, share it with us in the comments. Because at the end of the day, every choice comes with a story.